Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will share you about my book. My book is uh, the title is Gladiator: A Hero Will Rise, and the author by David Frangioni. And I got the book from my friends in WhatsApp, and I will read the story of the book or the summary of the book. The summary, it is AD 118 and the Roman Empire rules most of the known world. Rome has become corrupt and Caesar Marcus Aurelius wants General Maximus, the commander of the Roman army in the north, to become protector of Rome before he hands power to the Senate. He does not want his corrupt son, Commodus, to become Caesar. Commodus kills his father and orders Maximus and his family's murder. Maximus escapes, but soon is taken captive and sold as a slave to Proximo, a gladiator trainer. He is then taken to Rome, where Commodus is now emperor. Maximus becomes the most popular gladiator, which infuriates Commodus, who thought he had died. Commodus' sisters Lucilla and Senator Crassus agree to help Maximus escape but fail, and Commodus sends his troops to kill him. Maximus escapes, only to be receptor. Commodus has many senators murdered. Maximus is forced to fight the emperor in the arena, but before the fight, Commodus wants him badly. In spite of his weakness, Maximus kills Commodus, but he is mortally wounded himself. So this is a summary of the book, and I will read summary by chapter by chapter. And chapter 1 until 2, uh, Maximus, the commanding officer of the army of the north of Rome, leads a battle against the German army. Marcus Aurelius, the dying emperor, watches from the top of a hill while his ambitious son Commodus and his daughter Lucilla are sheltered in the career. After the battle at the Roman camp, the soldiers and the emperor pay honors to Maximus, which make Commodus jealous. Commodus accepts to be made emperor, and Marcus Aurelius thinks Maximus would be more suitable for the position. And the chapter 3 until 4, Marcus Aurelius asks Maximus to become protector of Rome until he can give power back to the Senate. He knows that Commodus will not make a good emperor. When informed of the decision, Commodus kills his father and orders Quintus, Maximus' second in command, to have Maximus executed. Maximus escapes and rushes home to save his family, but arrives too late. His farms and family have been burned. He is then taken prisoner and sold as slave to Proximo, the owner of a gladiator school at Morocco. On his way there, he is helped by Juba, an African slave. And then chapter 5 until 6, he is in his first training season. Maximus refuses to fight and is labeled a coward later. In the first real fight, he is chained to Juba, and together they defeat all gladiators. In the meantime, Commodus arrived in Rome and received by a small crowd. He is not popular. Lucilla tries to persuade him to listen to the senators, who are worried about the problems in Rome. But Commodus has different plans. He will have 150 days of games in the arena and has a spy watch the senators. And chapter 7 until 8. Commodus spends large amounts of money of the games and is not interested in solving Rome's problems. Drusilla is worried about the future of Rome and secretly meets senators Crassus and Gaius. They know that if they kill Commodus, Quintus will take control of Rome. So they decide to be patient. In the meantime, Proximo takes his gladiators to Rome to fight at the Colosseum. Maximus escapes to have an opportunity to take revenge on Commodus. Proximus gladiators, under the lead of Maximus, defeat the Roman fighters. Commodus finds the leading gladiator is Maximus and becomes furious, but has to let him live under the pressure of the cheering crowd. Lucilla visits Maximus in his prison. She wants his help to save Rome. So guys, this is a summary chapter by chapter, and this book teaches about a good leadership and about loyalty and dedication to the work done, and then the types of people who will like the book, and maybe I will recommend this book to my friends who want to be leaders because the book teaches about brave, loyal, and dedicated war leaders who are perfect match for the leaders, or who you want to be president. You should be read this book. I think enough from Bar Adam Firdaus, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.